Yep. Yep.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Hello, my loyal viewers, my loyal subscribers. Turk's Garage is back today with an episode that I'm excited to try out this hack with y'all and see how it goes. You may be wondering, where have I been? What have I been doing? You may be wondering what we're going to be doing today. I'll give you a little hint. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I got this cool little screen with my CarPlay and stuff, but I realized it had an AVN, which I have not been utilizing. So I said, I got a screen and an AVN. Why don't I just get a power inverter, which lets me plug stuff up in the cigarette lighter, and then hook this Nintendo up in the car, and then have a little smash session with my boys. This game and this console I've had a chokehold on my friends and my friend and I's life, my life and my friend's life for as long as I can remember, as I stood out in cold in Toys R Us, waiting opening night for this game to be released. Now I'm gonna have it in my wonderful car. I'm gonna have a list of everything I've been using here in the description below, so check that out. First thing, I'm going to plug this power inverter up for the first time into the cigarette lighter. I hope y'all don't use the cigarette lighter to light up cigarettes.
She tastes like cigarettes.
So yeah, I'm using the 200 watt power inverter from Foval. Check the reviews, this one seemed pretty good. It's pretty quiet when plugged up. I can turn it off, turn it back up. It's powering my light here. So now I'm going to plug the trusty. Now I'm going to plug the trusty yellow, white, red cables into the back of my head unit, which is a PLZ single DIN. This is honestly going to be the hardest step, is just plugging this AV cable into the back of my 10-inch screen here, and let's see how it goes. Now we put the AV cable in, and now here is the moment of truth. Now let's make this all nice and cleaned up with some movie magic. So, got it all cleaned up. You see the problem solver down there, all tucked away, nice and neat. No cables except for the controller. Now it is as simple as getting in the whip, pressing that, AV in, grabbing my sticks, turning it on. Somebody's gonna see me in traffic playing these. Like I might be driving up to a red light and see a garbage man, and then It could go down at any time. It could go down right now. Thanks for tuning in to Turk's Garage. I hope this tutorial helped you. I hope it can help you help somebody. I hope if you want to challenge me at Super Smash Brothers 64 or play any Nintendo 64 game with me while we cruise, then that'd be cool. Leave a comment below your favorite N64 game, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
That's all. Who says space doesn't have gravity? Look what it's doing to me.